Hi students, today let's do exercise 5.3 question number 2. Exercise 5.3 question number 2. Write the equivalent fraction of of 3/5 with the numerator 21. Here in this question, it is asked to find an equivalent fraction of 3/5 with the numerator 21. What we have to do? We have to find an equivalent fraction of 3/5 with the numerator 21. That means numerator already we got. We got the numerator 21. Now what we have to find out is remaining is the denominator. Numerator is 21. Denominator we have to find out. And that too, it should be equivalent to 3/5. This fraction should be equivalent to the other fraction whose numerator is 21. Okay. 3/5 is given fraction. We have to find out another fraction which is equivalent to this with the numerator 21. That means 21 numerator is already given. We have to find out only denominator. But how? We have to find out that by dividing this 21 by the given numerator. Here the fraction is already given. This fraction's numerator, okay, by this numerator we have to divide this numerator. Then we get a factor. Okay, let's try to find out that 21 divided by this numerator, that is 3. Now we know that 3 sevens are 21. Right? So 7 is the factor. Okay. Now 3 into 7 is equal to 3 sevens are 21. This numerator. Now when we multiply this numerator by any factor, with the same factor we have to multiply the denominator also. So here 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. So we got an equivalent fraction. Numerator is 21. How here? How we found? The given numerator, this is 21. We have divided by the fractions, the given fractions numerator. Then we got the factor. Okay. With the same factor, we multiplied the denominator, got the new denominator for the new numerator. So 3 sevens are 21, 5 sevens are 35. So equivalent fraction, 3/5's equivalent fraction is 21/35. This is how we have to find out the equivalent fraction when the numerator is given like this. Okay, when the numerator is given, this is how we have to find out the equivalent fraction. Our next question is 3/7. 3/7 with the numerator with the denominator 42. With the denominator 42. In the previous question, the numerator was given. Now here, denominator is given. How to find out? Here, 3 upon 7 is the given fraction. And we have to find out an equivalent fraction with the denominator 42. So we have to divide 42 by this denominator, given fractions denominator. Then we get a factor. Let's do that. 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. So we got the factor 6. So here 3 into 6 upon 7 into the same 6. Okay. Numerator and denominator. We have to multiply by the same factor. Then we get an equivalent fraction. So already given denominator is 42. 7 6 are 42. Now 3 6. 3 6 are 18. So we got the new factor which is equivalent to 3 upon 7 is 18 upon 42. Our next question is question number 3. 16 upon 24 with the numerator 2. Numerator 2. Our given fraction is 16 upon 24. We have to find an equivalent fraction with the numerator 2. To obtain the new denominator, we have to divide the given fractions numerator by the new numerator. Then we get 2 8s are 16. We get the factor to find the new denominator. So 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2, which is new numerator, new fractions numerator. Okay, now we have to find out 24 divided by with the same factor. Okay, then we get the new denominator. 3 8s are 24. Did you understand this? Once again, 16 upon 24 is the given fraction. We have to find a new fraction which is equivalent to 16 upon 24. Numerator is already given. We have to find out only the denominator. How to find out? To find out or to obtain the new denominator, we have to divide the 16, which is the given fractions numerator, by the new numerator. Then we get a factor, that is 8. With this factor, we divide the given fractions denominator, then we get the new denominator. That is 24 divided by 8. So when we divide 16 also with the same factor, so we get the new numerator, that is 2. You understand? 16 divided by 2, numerator 2, and we got the factor to find the new denominator. Then when we divide this denominator by 8, we have to divide the numerator also by 8. Then we get the numerator 2. Numerator is already given 2. Okay. Then you may have a question. Why here 16 divided by 8 and why here 16 divided by 2? For that, answer is this. To get the factor to find the new denominator, first we have to divide the given fractions numerator by the new numerator. Then we get a factor to find the new denominator. When you divide the denominator by any factor, with the same factor you have to divide the numerator also. So here 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2 and 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. This is how the new factor, new fraction we found. Our next question is 27 upon 36. With the denominator 4. Given fraction is 27 upon 36. Now we have to find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 4. So now we have to find out the numerator. To obtain the new numerator, we have to divide the given fractions denominator by the new denominator. Then we get a factor. Okay, 4 9s are 36. We get a factor. With this factor, we have to divide this 27 numerator, given fractions numerator divided by the factor, which we got 27 divided by 9 upon 36 divided by 9. When we divide numerator by any factor, with the same factor we have to divide the denominator also. So we get the new fraction, that is 3 9s are 27. So 3 upon 4 9s are 36. So 3 upon 4 is the new fraction with the denominator 4. Here denominator is 4. We have already got in the question the denominator 4. Once again, the given fraction is 27 upon 36. We have to find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 4. To get the new numerator or to obtain the new numerator, we have to divide this given fractions denominator by the new denominator first. Then we get a factor. With that factor, we have to divide the given fractions numerator. Okay, then we get the new numerator. When we divide the numerator by any factor, with the same factor we have to divide the denominator also. That is why 36 divided by 9 here. So we get a denominator 4 and numerator 3. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.